windows.
Doing this for Dan so you can get pissed at me.
Huh?
I'm doing this for Dan so he can get pissed at me.
No, goddamn Billy, they're everywhere.
I'm standing in my driveway, Dan. Just so you know, this is what I'm putting up with. This is out my front window, my front porch.
One down there aren't any good because they're just shooting straight up. They ain't making no noise.
Because they're fucking it up.
I know.
I'm at the end of my driveway, Dan.
Oh, that's the guy in the wheelchair. This is New Year's Eve in Texas.
Is it really?
This is what it sounds like. But it's not fireworks, it's fucking guns.
That was right above my house. I heard it, I watched it. See if he does another one. That's my house right there. That's John's room all the way up there. Well, that's where they put the satellite. They moved it up there. See it? You can't see it? It's right there.
Yeah, I see it now. You was talking about John's room and I was looking way up there. I thought, oh, he put two of them up. Yeah, he scooted up to get it over the tree.
This is all around the house. Everywhere I look, everywhere I turn, I hear it. Okay, have fun.